Hi there, my name is Karina Ives and here is 10 tips how to find exactly your English tutor. I rely on my experience and I hope it helps you. Let's get started. First one, connection. Find someone with whom you enjoy talking to, sharing common topics and feel comfortable with. Look for common interests or hobbies. Finding the right tutor is not easy. It will take time and experimentation. Take trial lessons with tutor who interest you and try until you feel comfortable with one. It's definitely worth it because the right tutor will create favorable environment for memorization and you will learn language faster. Words will just naturally stick with you. Second, easy and enjoyable process. The lighter and more enjoyable your conversation is, the more interesting it will be to study and memorize new words. Learning should bring pleasure, so you don't force yourself to do it, as it was at school. Ideally, you should look forward to your lessons, perhaps to share new information that you learned somewhere or to discuss new expressions that you have heard. Number 3, patient and time to speak. The tutor should be patient and provide you with the opportunity to express your thoughts fully. Immediately pay attention to whether the tutor gives you space to speak rather than dominating the conversation. In my search for a suitable tutor, I ran into rather selfish personalities who didn't allow me to insert a single word during a 50-minute lesson. Avoid such tutors. However, the tutor should not be silent, as you need to hear correct English speech. You will just subconsciously memorize the right way to speak. Number 4, correcting mistakes. Ask to be corrected when you make errors. Insist on this with your tutor. The more you repeat the same mistake, the more it becomes normal for you, making it challenging to remember the correct version later, as you have already gotten used to incorrect words or phrases. Initially, it might be distracting and confusing, but it will benefit you in the future. 5. Asking questions. Ask as many questions as possible, show interest and inquire. Clarify every nuance that is unclear to you. Don't hesitate to bother your tutor. If you have studied the meaning of a word and can remember it, feel free to ask again. In general, don't hesitate to ask again as many times as you need. The teacher is there for you to succeed. Number 6, motivation. Understand your exact motivation for why you need the language and explain your goal to the tutor. I will create a separate video on where to find motivation or how to understand it, but briefly, a large amount of information worldwide is written in English. English, one of the most widely spoken language globally. It can enhance every aspect of your life. Number 7. Accent. Determine which accent you want to study and focus on finding a tutor from the country with the accent you need, since you will be repeating and memorizing the accent your tutor speaks. Number 8. New vocabulary. Write down new vocabulary in a notebook or create a specific document on your phone, laptop or iPad. Ideally, you can revisit your previous notes between lessons for review or before a lesson. The process of writing down itself will help you remember new words. Sometimes I can pick 5-6 words from the last lesson which I found most valuable to me and write down a short story based on these words. The stranger and funnier the story, the better you will memorize these words. Important note is write down vocabulary with phrases and sentences. It's easy to memorize vocabulary in practical contexts. Ask your tutor how else a particular word can be used in different contexts. Number 9. Discussion topics. A good practice for you is to watch short videos in English on any topic that truly fascinates you. After watching, discuss this information with your tutor. I will provide down below links to suitable sources. I would also appreciate if you will share in the comments to channels that you find interesting in English. And number 10. So, where should you look for a tutor? That is my personal recommendations and list of platforms you can use to find your perfect tutor, perfect English tutor. And first platform is Italki. Italki focusing primarily on individualized language lessons. Italki connects students with language teachers for one-on-one lessons, offering a wide range of languages and dialects. Second platform is Verbling. Verbling carefully selects and vets its teachers to maintain a high standard of quality. And third platform is Preply. Preply is a popular online language learning platform that links students with tutors worldwide. Known for flexibility, it allows students to learn at their own pace and on their own schedule. Also, they offer group classes. Personally, I have been using Preply for myself and it was very convenient. Find your ideal tutor with our exclusive affiliate link in the description. Click like and follow us if you enjoyed that episode, then press here for other educational content. Bye!
I can speak English. Dale mamá con tu tacata.